So this is how I made my KFC style chicken. First, you just cut your chicken into pieces that you like, and then apply a little bit of soy sauce, half cup, ketchup, 2 tablespoons or 3, and then put some ginger paste, garlic paste, and pepper for some taste, and then a pinch of salt. I also garnish it with a little bit of garam masala, and then all you have to do is mix them all together. In an empty bowl, put 1.5 cup of plain flour, just plain flour, nothing else. Half cup of cornstarch, whatever you have. A pinch of salt, I use Himalayan salt. And then in here you add a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of chili flakes. I also added some chili powder, and then I topped it up with some paprika powder, just for the coloring. And in here I put a little bit of curry powder, and then mix it all together, make sure it's nicely mixed. And then here you have your marinated chicken, and then put it into the dry flour or your dry mixture. Make sure it's covered properly, your chicken is covered properly. Repeat the process if you have to, and then now you gotta dip it into the basin or bowl that contains water. This is just plain water, nothing else. Take out the chicken, and again you have to dip it back into your dry mix so that the chicken that you are about to fry is covered with flour, corn flour, so that it can give you that crispiness when you fry them, and you can also see it after the second coat of your flour or of your dry mix. And then put it aside. And then now make sure your oil is heated up, nicely hot, and then put your chicken inside that has been coated with flour, and then you can already see how crispy your chicken will be when you try it. Here you can see it's nice and brown. It has that crispy look, so make sure you move it around so they're not sticking together. And voila, here you go. So here I'm just trying the chicken, so tearing it apart to see the consistency and if it's done. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Daddy, this is so good. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Why go to KFC? Just make your own chicken at home.
Exactly.